Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Fajar Kurniawan. So you can call me my nickname is Fajar. And today I'm doing some textbook discussion for English, especially in University Terbuka. This one my job now is my job is that I'm going to graphic designer as I make some music with producer also, and I was a bartender in bar. I'm currently like 50 years old. I know it's old, but still fun for me. And my hobby is, as you know, making some music and drawing, also painting, between watercolor and illustration. And especially in my painting or drawing, I like using some point style. This using a small dot for drawing is kind of like a painting, so it's good. I'm currently in Utaraman Street, Turan in Malang, East Java. Yeah, Malang is where you can find everything. You got mountain and sea. It's great fun to live. I'm Indonesian citizen, so I live in Indonesia for 30 years old and never go to abroad. And like that, I would say. And this is my first introduction, my video. Actually, something like this. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about it. Kind of a bit awkward, I would say. I've never really saw man in front of camera. Mostly I'm like a apology. So it's quite new for me. It's great. Thank you.